What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. I'm in a different location. As you can see, guys, decided to come down in my basement because I will be doing the rebuild now. As you can see, some parts are in, and the key essential part that I was really waiting for was this differential setup right here, which comes with steel gears, and it's compatible for other models. However, it can work in the FF03 model, so to speak, sorry. And then I also got a backup spur gear, because I know that when you put in certain power on the car, you might end up stripping gears, and we want to make sure that we're prepared, guys. So that's that. And then the specs for these slicks that are over here are right here. They're not belted, which is a little sad, because when you have belted tires, it takes away from some of the ballooning, but that's fine. We're going to work around that regardless. And as you can see, that the old set that I have, they're basically done, but they lasted me 3 months, so I can't complain. And I would recommend that you can try them out. Have to do a little bit modification to them, because have really had enough with finding like any hex adapters and stuff like that and whatever. But I'm working around that, guys. But here are the new set, the new pair, and they're a little bit more narrow, but that's fine because the rim diameter is more, so it should raise up the RPM some more with that. And as I said before, that we have to rebuild the diff, and this is the, I don't know if you can see it from this angle, I'm gonna have to turn it around. But with the diff in this one, as you can see, it's done its time. And when you see it like this, guys, this is because when I make passes on the street, in which I definitely have to try to stop myself from doing now, is that when you have to stop the car, the quick abrupt stop, it's out the diff casing, and sometimes breaks it from the gear inside. So I'm gonna change that out and put in the good stuff now. As I said, the rebuild is coming, and we wasn't capping, guys, that's for sure. And if you're new to the channel, welcome, like, share.